Nehan from 6C Cambridge School. I am going to show how to do Mindhunter game in QtPi QtLearn. Let's go into content. First, you have to go to Google Chrome and you have to type it as QtPlay QtPi. Then you have to log in page QtPlay. Then you have to sign in with Google. Then you have to go to My Projects. Then you have to click on Start New Project. Then you have to type the project name Mindhunter. First you have to go to label and you have to take it. Then you have to take font bold and we have to take as fill parent. Then we have to label it as try to guess the number from between 1 to 100. Then we have to go to take and one more text box. Then we have to take another label. Then we have to go to layout. You have to take an horizontal alignment and you have to take this and you have to put upon this. Then you have to take this and you have to put upon this. It will come like this. Then you have to go to horizontal alignment and you have to take as this fill parent. Then label 2 and you have to take it width as fill parent, then its height as fill parent. Then you have to go to text box and you have to take this as fill parent and its height as fill parent. Then you have to go to user interface and you have to take a text for button 1. Then we have to rename it as check. Then you have to go to text and you have to rename it as check. You have to make it bold. Then you have to go to take another label and you have to rename it as result. Then you have to go to text and you have to leave it blank. Our designer part is over. Then you have to go to blocks and you have to go to variables and you have to drag and drop this option and you have to cancel this name and you have to type as num in capital letters. And you have to go to math. You have to go to math and you have to take the 0 block, drag and drop it here. Then you have to go to screen 1 and you have to take this and you have to go to variables and you drag and drop this option and you have to select on this. Then you have to go to math. Then you have to take this random integer. Then we have to go to check. You have to drag and drop this then you have to go to control and you have to take this, then we have to go to text, not text box, text, and you have to drag and drop this option, then you have to go to text box, then you have to take this option, then you have to go to result, you have to drag and drop this option, then you have to go to text, you have to drag and drop this, then you have to enter it as enter a number, then you have to go to settings option, you drag and drop this option, then you have to go to control and you have to drag and drop this option, then you have to go to math and you have to drag and drop this comparative block, then you have to go to text box and you have to drag and drop this option, text box one text, then you have to go to variables and you have to take this option, then you have to change this as this symbol, then you have to go duplicate this option, you have to drag and drop it here, then you have to rename it as no, the number is greater, then we have to go to the settings option and you have to add this, then you have to duplicate this option, then you have to take this symbol, then you have to duplicate this option, then you have to drag and drop it here, then we have to make this greater as smaller, then we have to go to the settings option and you have to add this, then you have to duplicate this and drag and drop it here, then you have to write it as kudos, you guessed the correct number, then we have to go to text box and you have to drag and drop this option, then you have to go to text and you have to drag an empty string, now our blocks part is over. Then you have to go to build option and you have to select the first option, then you have to scan the QR code, Then I have to download it. Then I have to open it. Then I have to install it. Friends, now I am showing you how to play the Minehunter game. Let's hunt the number. It is showing that no, the number is smaller. If I am typing 40, it's showing that no, the number is smaller. If I am typing 32, it said that kudos, you guessed the correct number. Like this we'll play the Minehunter game. Hope you enjoyed Minehunter game. Try it. Bye friends. Thank you.